In this video, we'll be taking a look at the S16 Plus by this video's sponsor, YEEDI. This is a powerful vacuum cleaner with super strong suction, a self-cleaning mop, and an all-in-one self-cleaning base station. Let's go ahead and get started. A lot of vacuum cleaners out there put a strong emphasis on the Pascal rating, and don't get me wrong, the S16 Plus does deliver with a super powerful 16,600 Pascal of suction power. They've also added the innovative blast technology. Blast stands for Boosted Large Airflow Suction Technology, and this makes a world of difference when it comes to picking up large particles and even dust. This utilizes larger fan blades for optimized lift and a streamlined aerodynamic duct. All of this is powered by a 100-watt high-torque motor, delivering super powerful suction and cleaning capability, whether on hard surfaces or carpeted areas. Instead of just focusing on the highest possible Pascal number, they're actually creating a negative pressure zone with the blast technology, working in tandem with the high suction power to eliminate any dust or debris that's in front of the vacuum cleaner. And as you can see, this had no trouble lifting up larger debris like cereal and even these goldfish, and it had no issues picking up smaller particles like coffee grounds and even grits. Not only does this do a great job at vacuuming hard surfaces like tile and wood floors, but it also does an incredible job on carpets. When the machine detects carpet, it goes first around the edge of the entire perimeter of the carpet, and then it continues to vacuum in an S-shaped pattern, efficiently removing all debris from the carpet. For me, the number one standout feature here has to be the OZMO Roller self-cleaning mop. So as this is cleaning your floors, it's simultaneously cleaning itself. This differs from most traditional dual spinning mop pads in the fact that it doesn't spread the mess further throughout your home. This actually cleans it up instantly and then cleans it from the mop. So you get a fresh, clean mop as you're cleaning the surfaces of your floor. I tested the S16 Plus against some pretty over-the-top scenarios. You probably won't see this level of mess in your day-to-day cleaning. It's nice to know that this has zero issues cleaning up yogurt. The way the OZMO Roller Mop works is it has an integrated sprayer which constantly adds clean water to the roller mop. As the mop is cleaning up the floor, the scraper removes debris and moisture from the mop, which is then collected into the dirty water tank. This leaves the roller mop fresh and clean so that you're not leaving streaks or spreading the mess. I added some soy sauce here directly to the roller mop so that you can see just how effective the self-cleaning is on the OZMO Roller Mop system. I've got 2 dogs and 3 ladies that live in my house, so I definitely need a vacuum cleaner that does a great job of removing hair from both hard surfaces and carpeted areas, and the S16 Plus definitely does a great job. The ZeroTangle 3.0 anti-tangle technology uses a special side brush which delivers hair directly to the center of the main brush. The main brush features a V-shaped design which funnels all of that hair to the very center of the brush, so you end up with a deep clean without having to worry about manually detangling the brush, which is a major benefit. The wind blade side brush is especially designed for anti-tangling, so you don't have to worry about the side brush tangling, and then that side brush directs hair directly to the center of the main brush. The S16 Plus does a great job of getting close to your walls and edges, and especially furniture like table legs and chair legs, and that's thanks to the True Edge 2.0 adaptive edge cleaning technology with the AI 3D 3.0 OMNI approach. The roller mop intelligently adapts to the edge, expanding and retracting so that it's able to clean all the way to the edge. This means you get a thorough clean with no edge or surface untouched. When the vacuum's cleaning, it returns to the all-in-one OMNI Station where the dustbin is automatically emptied and the mop is thoroughly cleaned. The OMNI Station uses hot water to sanitize and clean the roller mop, and then once the roller mop's clean, it uses hot air to make sure that that mop is thoroughly dried so you don't have to worry about about bacteria or mold forming on the roller mop. You don't have to worry about unpleasant odors. The hot air is able to fully dry the roller mop in as little as 2 hours, and this gives you 150 days of maintenance-free cleaning. The mop cleaning plate can be removed for manual cleaning, but only needs to be done once every 3 to 6 months. This does a great job whether in the day or even at night. It actually has a spotlight which is enabled whenever the vacuum cleaner enters a dark area so that it's able to clean thoroughly even in the dark. Overall, if you're looking for a super powerful and smart robotic vacuum cleaner that can thoroughly mop your floors without spreading the mess further, then the S16 Plus by YEEDI is definitely a great option. I'll be sure to include links in the description so you can find out more information about the YEEDI S16 Plus and pick one up for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.